Good morning dear students. Welcome to the class of Dynamics of Machine. Our today's topic is gyroscopic couple on airplane from unit number 1. Let us see the course outcome of today's lecture. Students will be able to estimate the effect of gyroscopic couple on airplane. Means after seeing this video you will be able to estimate the effect of gyroscopic couple on airplane, and we are covering the following learning outcomes. Means after completion of this lecture, what you will learn? You will be able to understand the gyroscopic effect, and you will understand the industrial application of gyroscope. Let us see the quick revision of previous topic. We have understood the derivation of gyroscopic couple, active gyroscopic couple and reactive gyroscopic couple. We have solved 3 numericals of gyroscopic couple on naval ship. If you are having any queries related with these topics, you can refer to my previous videos. Let us see the gyroscopic couple on airplane. First, we will see the basic terminology with case number 1. Here, a plane is moving on a straight path, and the front end of the plane is called as nose, the rear end of the plane is called as tail, and we are observing this plane from the rear end. Means we are looking this plane from the back side, and the engine is rotating in a clockwise direction as shown by the green arrow. After traveling some distance, plane takes a left turn. So, what will be the effect of all these 3 conditions? Means in case number 1, 3 conditions are given. Number 1 is propeller rotation, which is in clockwise direction. Number 2, direction of weaving is from the rear end, and number 3, plane is going to take a left turn. So what will be the effect of all these 3 conditions? So the effect of all these 3 conditions on an airplane will be, first, the tail end, that is the rear end, will go in the downward direction. Means the tail end will dip, and number 2 is the front end, which is also called as nose, it will rise. Let us see the case number 2. In case number 2, the front end is called as nose as usual in case number 1. The rear end is called as tail, which is also understood by us in case number 1. Again we are observing the plane from the same direction. Means we are observing the plane from the rear end, and the engine is rotating in a clockwise direction as shown by the green arrow, and after traveling some distance, plane takes a right turn. Here only one condition is going to change, that is the turning of plane as compared to the case number 1. Now what will be the effect of all these 3 conditions? Means when propeller is rotating in clockwise direction, direction of weaving is from the rear end, and plane is going to take a right turn. So the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on airplane will be, it will dip the nose and it will rise the tail. Now let us see case number 3. In case number 3, the propeller is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. We are observing the plane from the rear end, and plane is going to take a left turn. So the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on airplane will be, it will dip the nose and it will rise the tail as compared to the normal conditions. Means when propeller is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, direction of weaving is from the rear end, and turning of the plane is going to take left turn. So all these 3 conditions will affect the plane. So what will be the effect? The effect will be the front end will go in the downward direction and rear end will go in the upward direction if you compare with the normal condition. Now let us see the case number 4. In case number 4, the propeller rotation is in anti-clockwise direction. Direction of viewing is from the rear end or tail end. The plane takes a right turn. So the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on airplane will be, it will raise the nose and dip the tail as compared to the normal conditions. Means when we are comparing the case number 4 with case number 3, what is changing? Only the turning of plane is changing. In case number 3, plane is going to take a left turn, and in case number 4, plane is going to take a right turn. Now let us see the case number 5. In case number 5, the propeller is rotating in clockwise direction and we are observing the plane from the front end. Means we are looking the plane from the front side and plane is going to take a left turn. So the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on airplane will be, it will dip the nose and it will rise the tail as compared to the normal condition of plane. In case number 6, the rotation of a propeller is in clockwise direction and again we are observing the plane from the front end. Now the turning of plane is in the right direction. So the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on airplane will be, it will rise the nose and tip the tail as compared to the normal condition. Let us see the summary of today's lecture. Here two conditions are main. Number 1 is your observation, that is called as view from the rear end and view from the front end. So the engine rotations are clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation from rear end, again clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation from front end. Now the plane is going to take a left turn or it may take a right turn. So depending upon the left turn or right turn, your engine rotation and your view, the plane is going to give this effect. So in white color conditions, these two conditions are exactly opposite to each other and these two conditions are exactly opposite to each other. Now let us see the program outcome. So the program outcomes are, we have covered the 3 program outcomes. Number 1 is basic knowledge, number 2 is the engineers and the society, and number 3 is lifelong learning. We have studied the gyroscopic couple and we will remember the effect of this gyroscopic couple on airplane in our entire life. Let us see the assignment. In assignments, we have to answer the questions which are available on the below link, and in our next topic we will cover the numerical number 1 of airplane. Thank you.